what's up guys, welcome back to another taste review, and I got my sister here. Yeah, she's here. So today we're going to be trying out Shirley biscuits, and if you didn't know, Shirley. So we have all the 4 flavors. So it's the original, coconut, chocolate and ginger. So those are what we're going to be trying out today. So let's get into the video. So the first one we're going to be trying is the original, of course. So I'm going to get that open. So each of us will take a biscuit. This is what it looks like up close. So the original. So it's buttery. It's fresh. It's fresh. Not as in it tastes fresh. It's crunchy, meaning it's freshly baked, as in tastes good. So it's buttery, and it's just the original flavors. More like vanilla is what the most you will taste.
And why it gets hot in your mouth?
And it gets hot in your mouth. If you're a real Jamaican, you know about this. But actually, this is a product of Barbados, and not necessarily of Jamaica, but most of us in JA be having this. So we're going to be trying the coconut flavored next. So grab a gallon. So most of them, they just look the same with like a hose on it. Oh yeah, this is my favorite, the coconut, because Jamaica is known for coconut. That's what we do. So I'm gonna have a sip.
I'm gonna taste by me.
I can explain like what it is. So
you have the buttery taste. It tastes. You taste the coconut too.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna be trying out the chocolate next. If you don't know, the chocolate is this. It comes in a purple packet. I have had it once, but I don't remember what it tastes like. So grab a gallon. And as I said, it's just like the hose on the front. You're not gonna see it up close. So. You can smell like it's a real sweet and semi-sweet chocolate that they use in this one. Yeah, it really smells like that. Strong flavored. The chocolate does come through a lot, so you definitely know you're having a chocolate cookie.
Chocolate is my favorite, so this is my favorite.
So we're gonna grade them afterwards. But so far we're having good experiences. So we're gonna take a sip before we get to the ginger. So I don't think any of us have had the ginger flavor, so I guess we'll tell you if it really is a strong flavor biscuit. So alright, these ones are broken off, but it's the same house picture on it, and you see the ginger in the biscuit. You smell it. It's a good ginger as well.
The tea biscuit there.
And it smells like tea biscuit, yeah. If anybody in Jamaica, of course, watching this know about tea biscuits, it smells like ginger tea biscuit. Alright, this one kinda getting stale. It's not expired yet though, but yeah. The ginger flavor is very strong, but the biscuit is buttery, so you know it calms it down a bit. Yeah, it can go. It tastes better than tea biscuits.
Yeah, it tastes the ginger spice.
It's very strong. So I'm sure you guys know what like ginger looks like and stuff like that. So the original, of course, always unbeatable. So I would say out of 10, I'll give it definitely its full mark, like the 10, because it's the original flavor.
Yeah.
Coconut now is my favorite with cheese, so if you've ever had it with Tasty's cheese, you know that the bomb they give it. So I'll give it like a 9.5. What do you give it?
7.5.
7. Alright, so she likes the chocolate, so I guess she'll give it 10. Alright, the chocolate for me, I would say 8, but I like the semi-sweet taste of it. So that's if I'm feeling like I really want something sweet, I would definitely check out chocolate. The ginger now, the ginger for me, I would give it an 8 as well. The ginger flavor is strong, so if you're like sick and you're having like ginger tea and you need some extra ginger, you can go ahead and pick that Shirley ginger up. What do you give it?
I give it 9 because people like when you have gas, I can eat that instead of little sweet something them when I help them.
Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the Shirley edition. And as I said before, Shirley is not even made here. It's from Barbados, and it's just manufactured by us in J to the end. But Shirley has been a household staple for a very long time, and I'm sure if you're Jamaican, you know the original, you know the coconut, but the chocolate, you might have never seen it unless you've seen it in the supermarket. And the ginger, of course, I don't know how long ago it came out, and maybe Barbadians enjoy this as well. So check out my other videos, guys. Click that link and send it and share it to your friends. Like and subscribe, and also click that notification button. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit me up in the comments and tell me what it is that I should try next. So me and my sister, we out.